Okay, everybody, before you all do your literature review, I want everyone to be super clear what a literature review is exactly. Okay, so we looked at this before, this timeline to Higgs boson. Okay, I'll just show you what is and what is not, should not be included in a literature review. Okay, so here we see 1 billion people watch as proton beams circulate the Large Hadron Collider. Okay, that's interesting, but is it literature? Has it been written about? Has it been written about by professors and published in a journal? I'm not so sure about 2008. Here we have something though, this was a discovery. So when scientists discover something, then they publish it in a journal. So 1995, so what they discover, the discovery of the heaviest known particle, the top quark. Okay, so if you go to Google Scholar and look up 1995 and top quark, like I did, you'll find top quark 1995 cited by 3,471 people. Okay, so this is really important when you're doing a literature review. This is how many people cited this person's work. So that means they wrote a journal, they wrote a scientific research paper, and they quoted this person or referenced his work. 3,471 different research projects, let's say, referenced or quoted this one. So that's really big. So we know that's really important. Same as this one here, 4,121 times is enormous. So this means this is really important. Okay, we can also see in the Higgs boson in 2015, when it was discovered, even just in these last 4 years, over 1,000 people have cited this work. So it's super important. Okay, so you guys aren't going to be researching Higgs boson. You'll be doing something like political corruption, for example. So if you go to Google Scholar and put in political corruption, here we can see some really important things. 1,150, that's enormous, again, for something like this. But that might not be what you're looking for, Sierra Leone. So it might be useful, might not be. All of these ones that contain hundreds, they're great, no matter what you're doing. Here we have again 603. So what you'll do at this point, maybe this is going to be, this was something very important. Maybe this one here, 389, that's fine. So what you'll do is look at it. There'll be an abstract, which is basically a summary, and then you can find out all you need from there, if it's useful or not. You will still have to read through it and find something important and use that page number in the real study. Well, let's have a look. Okay, so this first part, we can read the introduction here. You can get a feel for if this is important for you, if this is something you would use. Here, it's using Benazir Bhutto, so that's Pakistan. It's using Russia, America. So this is something very international. Could be quite useful for you. Okay, so remember, it's not when someone was arrested or a scandal, for example, or even legislation passed by a government. It is what you can find on Google Scholar. It is something that is written about by a professor at a university and published in a journal. So it's not events, it's not important things that happened, it's only things that are published in a online academic journal. Okay, that's all. Good luck. Start your literature review. Bye-bye.